Hi everyone, my name is Yogesh and I'm working as a software engineer at ServiceNow. In this video, we are going to talk about 5 top skills that are going to help you in college. First of all, the first most important skill would be teamwork, because teamwork is a skill that is an underrated skill and it is going to help you in a longer run, not only in your college but in your professional life as well. So make sure that you do participate in a project or in a hackathon or in a group activity where you can learn or where you can show your teamwork, because teamwork is an important aspect if you are working or collaborating in a community or working with the different people, so you can understand that how collaboration could be more effective and beneficial for you. The second number thing would be global thinking. Global thinking is really important because it is a thing that you start thinking out of the box. It's not always like, okay, you are going to start with the traditional approaches to solve a problem. No, you should try to innovate, you should try to interact with the new people. Like for example, there are different cultural programs, there are different study programs where people get to go to abroad for study, right? So to understand the culture of those things also, so global thinking is really important, because then you are not like the people who's thinking for any approaches from your perspective but the approaches of other people as well. Another thing would be time management, because as a college student you do have a lots of time, right? You do assignments, you manage your studies, you manage your sports, you manage your curriculum, you manage your extracurricular activities, like whether you are participating in a coding contest or in a live hackathon or anything, right? So you are well aware of those things, because time management is the thing. If you do not manage your time well, then it's going to hamper your life afterwards, right? As of now, as a college student, you do have a lots of time, but when you started working as a professional in any profession, then you do not have lots of time. So you should know how to invest time, how to dedicate time to the slot. Either you should start making a timetable or a routine, so there should be a discipline. Another thinking would be verbal communication, because it is the most underrated skill. Because the thing is, when you appear for an interview or you are trying to express your thoughts, you are the knowledgeable person, you do have knowledge about that thing, you do have idea about what people are talking about, but the thing is you are not expressive, you do not know how to communicate. And people actually misunderstood that communication means English. No, it doesn't. It is the way simply in which you are able to convince or you are able to express your ideas, your thought process, your thinking of that particular problem or any idea to someone else, right? So verbal communication skill is the must, but of course English is a way to express that self, so I won't say that you should not learn English, but of course verbal communication is the most skill. So what you can do, you can try to participate in a speech contest, which generally happens in the colleges also. So and try to participate in a group discussion, try to involve with these things also, because ultimately then it is going to help you in your communication skills. Another skill that you should know, how to do networking, because networking is going to play a role, not in your college, not into your professional life, but in every aspect. So you should try to make a good network of the people, because ultimately those will be the people consider you. If you are looking for a new job change, then you'll be looking for referral from some people. If you are stuck in some condition where you will need some help of the people, but if there won't be anyone to help you, then it's going to be challenging for you. So making networking with people is a really important thing. And how you can do it, just try to involve it, just try to indulge in different cultural programs or different coding contests or different anything that is going to happen in your college. So try to go into those things. So I think these would be the top 5 skills that are surely going to help you in your colleges, not only in your colleges but in your overall career as well. Thank you, thanks a lot.
Hi there, we hoped you liked the video and had fun learning. I would like to inform you that Coding Ninjas has come up with a scholarship test called CNSAT. If you participate in this test, you can get up to 100% scholarship on any course at Coding Ninjas. It can be DSA, web development, product companies interview preparation, and even data science and many more courses. So if you want to avail this opportunity, click on the link in the description below or the pinned comment and participate in the test now. Happy learning, guys.